Hello, dear group. Uh, this is Jose Miguel Rodriguez, and this is my video presentation for my final task in Directives of Social Science. This is my lesson plan that I created in my last task. I am going to talk about this lesson plan and its important aspects. Um, The topic of the lesson was Colombian colonial period. The class is of history. The objectives is so important in all lesson plan. Uh, for example, in my case, in my objectives, we worked tools to strengthen their analytical and debate skills, to create space for students to understand the history of their country, and to promote interaction and academic debate among students. In introduction about the group, we worked with the grade 8. The age is 13. Regarding the group, they are very receptive and interactive children. Some need motivation and others are a bit shy, and other problems in this age. Learning strategy, uh, we are looking to work in motivation, association, debate, competence, analysis. Um, Competencies ensure that through reflection analysis, the students understand the most important aspects of reading and can build their own reflections, share and receive knowledge through the association of ideas with their classmates. My presentation stage, something important in all lesson plan is the warm up. This is a key factor. At the beginning, it's important to do a icebreaker activity. Here, we motivate the students. They can play or do other activities to participate and motivate them to attend in this class. Okay. In the practice stage, yeah, we have materials and strategies and audiovisual aids. The group will read two texts on colonial power and social and administrative values. The information about the class is so important. Audiovisual materials. A space is created parallel to the characteristics of the colonial regime and our time. About production stage. Here, the student obtain a rational and critical knowledge about the past of Colombian in order to understand the present. We have the student can discern the way in which those events influence nowadays. In development, okay, we create discussion. A discussion is generated through the presentation of the work. The students will argue and support their thesis, or others will oppose it. This is an interesting activity in group. So they will improve their argumentation skills. Independent practice. Here they write a reflective two-page essay on the most important features of the colonial regime and the importance of understanding our history. Is a reflective essay. In accommodations, before concluding, we have few minutes to clarify doubts, give explanations, or any necessary aspect. Checking for understanding. Okay. In this activity, we have volunteers. One of them will create a blog when all of the group, all of the members will participate in this blog to record their reflections, questions or comments about the class. And here we have a collaborative work. About closure, okay, in my case as a teacher, we have reflection, I have reflection to enhance students' understanding about our history, especially about the importance of reflecting on our backgrounds and conflicts. And finally, about my conclusion and my reflection is that it's not easy to create a lesson plan. This is something difficult because I need to think in many aspects. For example, we need to know the age of the students. Okay, we need to work about to know our history and teach them the first and the most important aspects of the class. Creating a lesson plan is difficult because it requires knowing the students, their needs, their strengths, and their weaknesses. In my opinion, when creating this lesson plan with its different teaching aids and content, I have thought to have enough tools to work individually and in groups in our classroom. Our history class can be fruitful for our students and instill in them a culture and lifestyle. My reflection is that thanks to the technology, we have many tools on internet and many platforms. We have enough material to use to create our lessons plans. Is so important. Thanks to our technology, we have the tools, and we need to know and to apply this knowledge in our classes. Thanks for watching and for your time. And the most important is that this course has been a great opportunity for me because I recognize the importance of the lessons plans and the importance of the social science in education. Social science is so important because we have many topics, many information that all students must to know in their lives. And social science is an interesting and important in our education today. Thanks.